First shut down the machine and power off, then take out the prepared tool, a Phillips screwdriver and a 7mm socket. Next, open the door. Find the pressure roller and bleed to replace. All 3 screws need to be removed. First, take out the sleeve and align the nut, then take out the Phillips screwdriver and align the screw. Unscrew the 3 screws counterclockwise after removing the pressure rod assembly. Start to replace the new pressure roller assembly. Put the 3 screws in advance. Take out the new pressure stick assembly and align it with the 3 holes. Then push up and give it a hard press. Use the nut you just removed. Later, screw them all in. After putting these 3 nuts in, first confirm if the components are aligned with the sensor. After the sensor wheel is centered, take out the Phillips screwdriver and socket. Finally, fasten all 3 screws.